Welcome once again to my channel. This is Elyon Educational Consult. We are looking today at construction of hexagon using set square method. So we have a question here. The question says draw a regular hexagon given the length of one of its sides to be 45 mm using set square method. So if it's a regular hexagon, it means that all the sides must be equal. And don't forget, hexagon is a plane figure with 6 sides, so it's a polygon because it's more than 4 sides. So we're having 6 sides now, so we are told to use set square of 60 degree. So we are going to be doing that now. So the first thing we are going to be doing here is to have our baseline drawn this way. So we have our baseline drawn that way. We pick a point, we pick a point A, and we are told that the one of the side of the hexagon should be 45 mm. So if one of the side, if it's a regular hexagon, so all sides must be equal. It means all of the side, the C side must be 45 mm. So I will start off with the first side there by measuring 45 mm, that is 4.5 centimeter, 45 mm. So I will call this part my B now. Okay, now we will introduce our set square, the 60 by 30 by 60 degree set square. So this is how it looks like. So this angle here, this side, okay, 60 degree, while this side is 30 degree, the smaller side. So how do we do this now? So because it's hexagon we want to construct, so I will put it this way, I'll put it that way. It's a set square, so I'm using this inner line. So just adjust it back until it gets to this point here, and make sure it is straight here with this line. Okay, so the next thing I will do, just produce a thin line like that. Okay, then come to this side as well. So to draw this side, you are not going to put it this way, not like this. To draw this, no, it's not going to form the hexagon. So what you do, you can turn the set square like this. We are still using the 60 degree side, not the 30 degree. So you put it this way. Now put it this way, then you draw. Make sure it is straight here. Okay, I'm looking at two places at the same time, yeah, and this point here. Okay, then draw like this with a thin line like that. Okay, now we are told that the length of side is 45 mm. So I'm going to be picking 45 now, or use your compass if this is 45. So just come to this other side here and measure 45 from here like this. Okay, then I'll go to this other side as well, 45, this 45. Okay, so if we have those 2 points there as 45, so I can just call this point here, you can label that, or you call it C and D. So we can connect C and D together now with a thin line, and extend it out that way. Okay, all right, so we have that. So we are going to do what we did earlier again to complete the hexagon. We already have 3 sides now, which I'm going to highlight later. So now to complete the hexagon, now I can put my set square this way. I'm using, don't forget, you must not use the 30 degree side. If I had to use the 30 degree side here like this, it's going to be wrong. It's not going to be forming it. So I will use the 60 degree. The question says we should use our 60 degree set square. So we'll put it this way now. Then draw like this. Then come to this other side like this, using the 60 degree side. Then you draw that way. So don't forget the side is 45. All sides must be equal. So I'll come this way now, pick my 45. This is 45. Come this way, this other side here, 45. I hope you can see that now. So the next thing I'm going to do now, can highlight it now. You can tick all the side out. So with our tick line, using the black pen for that. So you see this, tick this side as well. Okay, you see this now. So this is our hexagon with 6 sides. So if I call this 1, this side 2, this side 3, 4, 5, and 6. I hope this is very easy to do. Keep on practicing. I believe you can get it. Thank you very much for staying tuned. Please, you can subscribe to get more solution of construction of polygon. Thank you very much. God bless you.